Into the fading light, shadows dance across the night. I hear your voice beyond the sand, calling softly through this land. Desert